Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file KRA 0 returns. First, navigate to the KRA tax portal using your preferred web browser. This is the official online platform for all KRA tax services. It is crucial to have your KRA personal identification number, or PIN, readily available, as you will need it to log in. This process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes to complete, ensuring you remain tax compliant without any income to declare. Once on the iTax portal, enter your KRA PIN and password into the designated fields, then click Login. After successfully logging in, locate the Returns menu on the navigation bar at the top of your dashboard. From the drop-down options, select File Nil Return. This specific option is designed for individuals who have no income to declare for a particular tax period, simplifying the compliance process significantly. Next, you will be prompted to select the tax obligation type. Choose Income Tax Individual from the available options. The system will automatically populate the tax period, which you should verify for accuracy. After confirming these details, carefully click the Submit button. This action sends your zero return to KRA, marking a crucial step in your tax compliance journey. It is a quick process, typically taking less than 1 minute. Upon successful submission, the iTax system will display a confirmation message, indicating that your zero return has been received. Immediately, you will be given the option to download your KRA acknowledgement receipt. It is highly recommended to download and save this receipt in a secure location, either digitally or as a printed copy. This document serves as official proof that you have fulfilled your tax obligation for the period, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.